Hello guys, welcome again to Wendy Style. I just want you guys to know that a polished pixie cut can suit a variety of face shapes. But one thing with this style is that it looks especially good on you if you really have a heart-shaped face, as it aligns the cheekbones and draws focus to the eyes. So regular trims and moistures are beneficial to always keep your hair healthy and shiny. I just love this beautiful hairstyle, because if you really want a stylish hairstyle, why not try this beautiful cut? You can see how unique this hairstyle is, and it's a haircut that will suit beautiful black women the most, because you can see how this hairstyle merges her cheek cut. Because this hairstyle, you can see how it really lifts the hairstyle's charm, like giving it that posh and modern vibe. So why not try and chat with your barber to learn about new ways, like for him to change your look on the go? Because styled and cared for properly, this cut really works great for any event. So if you have any formal event or any kind of red carpet that you really know you really need to look your best, I would advise you to go for this cut, because it's that kind of cut you will not regret or run out of style. You can see how here is another chic and low maintenance hairstyle for black women. And one thing with this cut is that they are trending haircut, and it's perfect for those who really want a stylish and manageable look. One thing with this cut is that it saves time and is versatile, like when styled to really match the natural flow of your hair. And this particular style which you're seeing on the screen, it also works very well, like for black women, who really have maybe relaxed hair. So you can see how it's easier to style and how it creates that sleekness. Always just say goodbye to those long routine styling hair, and just say hello to this bold and confident look when it comes to beautiful short hairstyles. Have this at the back of your mind to always remember to trim your hair every 6 to 8 weeks to keep it looking this flawless, and your hair will always appear healthy. With this in mind, let me let you guys have all the styles we have. God bless you guys, and see you guys in my next video.